Hi, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches craft channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the invisible fasten off. This is a very quick and simple technique that I think you will really like because it gives you a really neat finish without too much effort. You can use this on any crochet projects, whether you are working in rounds or rows and with any crochet stitches. But since I design amigurumi, I will show you how to do the invisible fasten off when working in continuous rounds. I have already finished one circle here that I fastened off using the traditional technique. And as you can see, I have this really ugly looking step here with a little knot on the top from the standard fasten off. So let me show you how to do the invisible fasten off now using this other circle here. First of all, cut the yarn off, which I have done already, and then pull the yarn out like this with your hook. Then thread your yarn needle with the tail. Now you will skip the next stitch, which is this one here, and you will insert the needle into the second stitch here. Pull the needle through the whole stitch and pull the yarn out all the way. Oh, and pull on the yarn a little. Now you will go back into the stitch you came from. So this is the stitch where this yarn is coming from. So go back into this stitch, but you will go from the top into the center of it. And pull the yarn out. Then pull on it tight. And you will see that we created a new stitch identical to the other stitches. And by doing so, we got rid of the step. Now we just need to weave the yarn tail in on the wrong side of the circle. So I like to go in through this stitch here and then weave the yarn in all the way to the middle. And if you are working on an amigurumi, this will be hidden on the inside, so don't really worry if it doesn't look too neat. Then tie a double knot with the yarn tail coming out of the magic ring. And you can cut the yarn tails off. Okay, so here we are. Give the circle a little stretch and let's just compare it again to the circle with the standard fasten off. And as you can see, the difference is quite amazing. If you have a look at the circle on the right, you can't really see at all where you fastened off. And that's it. This was just a very quick tutorial, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button to receive an update when I publish a new video. Thank you for watching.